By the time these babies, born in 2010 at a Nashville hospital, are old enough to have children, the city of their birth may look quite different.
Nashville is projected to grow by close to 1 million people over the next 20 years or so. And anyone who lives in the city understands that 1 million more people here, 1 million more cars is going to, if we continue to do things the way that they are now, is going to equal a lot of congestion, a lot more air pollution, crowding, and just, I think, can be a lot of negative things.
If Nashville is to fulfill its pledge of becoming the healthiest place for children to be born, it will have to not only address the current health issues, it will also have to plan carefully for the impact of this much larger population. Staff at the Nashville Civic Design Center have been working on a plan to help guide future decisions around infrastructure and development.
Shaping the Healthy City project, it's focused on using Nashville as a case study city across the United States of how we can address public health issues in context of the built environment, and how we as a city can start to design our city that hopefully has a positive public health outcomes.
The plan addresses 6 areas that affect people's health: transportation, open space and parks, housing, food resources, walkability, and neighborhood design and development.
All of these systems, I think, are about how you connect them all together more. I like to make the example of the historic pikes that we have in Nashville and how historically those all converged in downtown, but if you look at Nashville, it's really like the spoke of a wheel, and you have all these historic pikes radiating out of downtown. Well, most of those pikes are the idea of that single-use zoning. They're all commercial strips that have a lot of aging infrastructure on them. There's a tremendous amount of opportunity for redeveloping our historic pikes into those really vibrant, mixed-use avenues and boulevards that we've all seen in cities like Paris. You know, they have really active cafes and shops, and with people living above them. Putting the public transportation in so that they're not congested, that people can use buses and light rail someday, commuter rail that can connect to our local communities as well will be a component of that. So that you can see how we can grow in the city because there's areas like that to grow in. And we can also maintain the great neighborhoods that we have that are kind of between these pikes.